Hi, everybody. This is Levy, your real estate guru, with a Tuesday tip on how to make moving less stressful. Moving is one of the life events which is most stressful for most people, and you can make it much easier on yourself and your family if you can possibly afford to allow a little bit of overlap between when you have to leave house A and get into house B. You want to own house B a little earlier than when you are intending to move, so that if things don't go exactly like clockwork and life doesn't usually, you are not stressed out to the max, and you can do things a little leisurely and move your most precious possessions yourself. It's just a better idea, and it's going to be well worth it. And you're going to thank me for it. Good luck with your move. And if you need any assistance, advice, and what have you, call a real pro. My thing is to enlighten you about real estate, and that's why I call myself the real estate guru. Have a lovely day.